a Keystone wallet. It's super simple, really secure, and we'll do it together step by step.
So, you're ready to unlock all those awesome membership benefits? Perfect. You are in exactly the right place. Let's get right into it.
Okay, so the whole thing is broken down into just 3 simple phases. First, we'll do the setup on your computer. Then comes the really cool part, the secure handshake with your Keystone. And finally, the best part, checking out all your new stuff in your inventory.
All right, first up, Part 1, the web setup. Like the name says, everything for this first bit happens right on your computer in the web portal. Easy enough, right?
Okay, so once you're logged in, just head over to the store. This is where you'll pick out your membership tier and decide on your staking duration. You'll see a little summary, and once you're happy with it, you'll hit Load Now to pick which currency you want to pay with. The very last step on the computer is just to check that little confirmation box and click to confirm. Boom, done with this part.
And just like that, you're done with Phase 1. The system now knows exactly what you want, and it's created this special QR code right on your screen. Now, this code is super important. It holds all the details for your transaction, and it's basically the key to our next step.
Okay, on to Part 2, the Keystone handshake. This right here is where the magic happens. It's where you see the real power of a hardware wallet, because we're about to sign this transaction completely offline. What does that mean? It means your private keys never touch the internet. That is some serious security.
All right, go ahead and grab your Keystone device. It's time to create that secure, air-gapped bridge between the web portal and your funds.
So let's break down what's happening here, because it's pretty cool. Your computer screen, it's just showing a request to spend your funds. But your Keystone device, that's the gatekeeper. That's what you'll use to securely approve the request, all without ever plugging into your computer or connecting to the web. It's a really smart system.
Okay, on your Keystone, just tap that little scan icon. Now, point it at the QR code on your computer screen. You'll see all the transaction details pop up right on your Keystone screen. Just take a second to double-check that everything looks right before you hit approve. Once you approve it, your Keystone creates a brand new QR code. This one has your signed authorization baked right in, and this is the second part of that handshake. You're sending the approval back. Just hold your Keystone up to your PC's camera. Now, the screen might look a little blurry to you, but don't worry about it. The camera is designed to read it just fine. After it scans, all you have to do is click Done on your computer.
And that's it. The secure part is officially over. Nicely done. Welcome to Part 3, the fun part, checking out your new inventory.
You should be seeing this message on your screen right about now. A huge congrats is definitely in order. You are officially a DAO1 member. How awesome is that?
So where's all the cool new stuff? Easy. Just click on the Inventory tab in the portal, and you'll see all your new assets and tools waiting for you.
And what's inside? Well, you'll find the whole package. Your 2-in-1 membership tier, the third-party membership tier, and of course, your very own chain trade bot. It's all there, activated, and ready to go. And there you have it, a super secure, totally straightforward process from beginning to end. Now that you're a full member and you've got all these amazing tools at your fingertips, the only real question left is, what are you going to do first?